Strákarnir með ykkur á þessu indæliskvöldi og það engin venjulegu þáttur framundan hjá okkur. Ó nei, við erum með, megastjörnu í settinu og það engin annar en Rob Snyder.
Stay away.
Hi, nice to see you. Thank you.
How are you?
Alt goat. Alt goat.
Nice having you here.
Oh, go to Skempton.
It's like you're saying bye. Go to Skempton.
Go to Skempton. Oh, are we done?
No. We have a whole show.
You're gonna stay here, boy.
I'm staying here? Okay.
Yeah.
Það snilda þáttur framundan og ég ber það ræst að það áskorin hér rétt handa af hornið. Svo erum við með skemmtilegt atriði með Rob Snyder sem við kennum honum að reyna við íslenska stelpur og svo eitt mega atriði í lokin sem að nefnist Big Guy Rodeo og Rob Snyder fór þar á kostum þar sem við vorum að hoppa á annað fólk.
Já, og það svona keppni og hún útskýrir sig nú kannski betur síðar í þættinum.
Manstu ekki, Rob, fannst þér ekki ógeðslega gaman þegar við vorum að hoppa á fólki?
You just got to pick the right guy.
Yeah.
In the
I
road.
tried. And then, you know, I tried to jump on a woman's back. I think I lost a little confidence. And then I finally jumped up, and he was very accommodating because he got the whole idea. Someone's on my back, like a horsey, I'll give him a ride. And then there was no other synapse in his brain, he just went right to that. So that was good.
Það einmitt atriði sem við sjáum hér rétt og eftir, en það komið að áskorun. Rob, can you look in camera 3
Yes.
and say, jæja, gott fólk, áskorun.
Jæja, gott fólk, áskorun.
Já,
What's the last one?
Great.
Áskorun, challenge.
Yeah.
það komið áskorun, en hér rétt á þessu svið, þá þurfum við að spjalla hans við hann. Við þurfum að grafa upp úr honum eitthvað svona.
Þú ert að reyna að tróða honum í töskum.
Já.
Ekki segja honum.
I want to consider myself the fourth guy.
Yeah, you are the fourth guy. Já, eins og glöggir áhörundur sáu í gær þá komið að Pétri Jóhanni Sigfússyni að taka áskorun og þetta fullorðins, allsber aftan á sendibíl. Við erum ekki með sendibíl, við fengum hérna frá Hertz bílaleigunni svona einhvern flottan Hyundai.
Ég ekkert að geta þetta.
Við erum búin að redda hérna svona öryggislínum, svona strappon, fyrir þá sem vita hvað það er. Og svo getur hann haldið sér í það aftan á. Og þú gast ekki fengið betra veður fyrir þetta, Pétur.
Já, ég láta sprellan hvíla hérna á þessari rúðuþurrku.
Já, þú verður hérna og ert með rassinn að fólkinu því annað er bara ógeðslegt, sko. Já, þú þurfum aðeins að þroskast í þessu. Og hérna, já, svo keyrum við niður Ártúnsbrekkuna og þá ætti þessu að vera lokið. Við erum hérna með annan bíl sem er staðlaður Renault Megane. 16 tómum felgum, ég veit ekki hver á þetta en hann er drullin flottur. Og hérna Hugi myndar úr honum, úr topplóðinni sem er á honum.
Ég ætla að keyra Pétur.
Já, þú keyrir þennan bíl, ég keyri Meganinn, komum honum á og hefjum með þessa yndislegu áskorun í Bongo blíði í september. Maður á að vera bara í golfi svona veri.
Ég segi fínt maður, þetta er ógeðslega gaman maður. Maður er eitthvað frjáls. Wow maður. Sannir. Já, ég veit það. Þú vilti það. Shake á liðin! Þetta er æðislegt. Nei! Hvað er æðið? Það verður það flatan og stoppa rauðljósi! Já, við erum bara að vinna. Skvísa, menn! Ég á séns í þessa, eða ekki, aldrei. Herru, já! Farðu bara yfir! Sælir! Endilega haldið áfram að ganga menntaveginn, þetta er rugl sem ég er að gera. Þetta er bara bull, haldið áfram í skóla. Haldið áfram í skóla, krakkar. Ég ákvað að hætta í skóla og sjáu hvað ég er að gera. Sjáuðu mig. Ég er allsber á sendifyrðabíl. Haldið áfram í skóla, krakkar mínu. Já, akkur eru það. Heyrðu, eins og þetta hafi ekki verið næg áskorun.
Það er rétt.
Já, fannst ykkur ég ekki standast þessa?
Þetta var snilld. Þetta var ótrúlega gaman.
Þetta er eitt af besta sem ég sé þetta.
Er það?
Já, þessi fer á topp 5.
Þetta var áskorun og já, við skulum kíkja bara aftur upp í settir, ekki það?
Já, hann var þetta góður. Ég fæ að sitja hérna með strákunum það og bara einfallega vegna þess að Rob Snyder hérna hjá okkur. Vanalega ég á trommusettinu.
Usually he's on the drum set when a guest comes in the show.
Yes, usually, yeah. Why not? No, you're a special guest, so that's why I'm here.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Because you're big in Hollywood. You're big in Hollywood.
Yeah.
You're small in Hollywood, but you're big.
You're a big name.
Yes. Well, I'm a name. Maybe we will just send it to you on email, what we're trying to tell you.
Yes.
Yeah,
that sounds good.
Yeah,
But you have worked in a lot of movies like Deuce Bigalow, and we've seen you in a lot of Adam Sandler's movies. Is it fun working with Adam?
Yeah, he's a lot of fun to work with. He's fun because he's got a big laugh, you know?
Okay.
So when you do something funny, laugh. And that's good, because otherwise, do you guys laugh at each other's stuff?
Yeah.
Okay,
usually.
good.
That helps.
These guys crack me up.
Have you known him for a long time, or did you just
about
start
20 years ago.
Okay.
I first saw him doing stand-up comedy. He was on stage. He said, he said, and now I'll do my impression of a guy having gay sex for the first time. And he got on stage, and he basically said, all right. And he's like, ah! Oh! How dare you!
How old was he then?
I think like 20 or 19.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I was the only one laughing, and the audience was horrified. Yeah. And do you still do stand-up comedy? No, not anymore. The expectations got too high after a while.
Okay. But you used to.
You go, yeah. You go on stage and they're screaming by the time you get out there, and it's like, I can't live up to it, Mm-hmm. So I enjoy making films. Yeah.
Are you writing yourself?
Yeah. Not because of, it's just purely of necessity. No one else is writing for me. It's like you guys, you got to write your own stuff. Do you write your own stuff? You got to go, yeah, I write my own stuff. Who else is going to write it? Yeah. So, you have to
think
write
you'll
it.
ever do a serious movie, like Dancing with Wolves #2 or something?
Or The Postman? I thought I'd skip #2, Dancing with Wolves, go right to 4. Waterworld. Well, you know what? I don't know. I mean, if I do, I think the critics will just savage it. You know what I mean? I might do something really serious, like maybe some sort of, period piece. Yeah. 19th century costume thing.
Do you get a lot of scripts to your home?
No. Well, I get some, but they're usually pretty bad. Usually I get a script and I see and I go, what's this brown mark on it? And I just go, oh, that's Jim Carrey wiped his ass with this. What am I doing? So those are the scripts I get. But, so we write them myself. So I got some good friends. Like you guys, you sit around and come up with things. And then I was suggesting, you guys got to do a movie.
Yeah, we want to do a movie.
You should just, because all the work you put into this.
Can you write the script for us, maybe?
I'll help. I'll help. I'll come back. We'll do what we call a punch-up.
Okay.
Which is where the guys just show up and you get a lot of food. I do that. I have my friends from The Simpsons TV show.
Yeah.
Pretty funny, right?
Yeah, I love that show. They're right before us.
They are?
Yeah, The Simpsons and then the guys in our schedule on Channel 2.
Good. Well, that's a lot of pressure having to follow those guys.
Yeah. Tell us about it.
So, and then we sit around and have a punch-up and eat food and get fat, and then, we come up with more jokes for the movie. We do that all the time.
Okay.
So we can just come to your house, or you live in L.A.? Easy. You can go to my assistant's house and maybe if it...
Slaka á, við erum að ná honum að walka band.
Do you have a woman or a girlfriend?
You know what? Yeah.
Sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah. I'm trying to work it out.
Okay, because we were, the other day we were helping you to hit on Icelandic women, and we're going to go see that right now.
Let's take a look.
Okay.
Góð kvöld, góðu gestir og verið hjartalega velkomin í skemmtilegt innslag og við strákarnir erum staddir hérna á brókinni ásamt Pétri Jóhanni Sigfússyni
sem hefur aldrei áður hlaupið á brókinni í Smáralind og hann hefur fílað sig í tælur.
Já, ég veit ekki hvort þetta kallist hlaup eða eitthvað annað, hann hvarf þarna í sal 2. Ok, gaman að því. En eins og við sögum, þá erum við staddir í Smáralind og við ætlum að hitta Rob Snyder hérna. Hann leikari mikill og búinn að vera með okkur í þættinum.
Já. Og
Pétur, komdu!
Og við erum í brók sem er til einhver myndinni.
Já.
Deuce Bigalow.
Já, rosa fyndið og skemmtilegt og allt gaman að því. Nú það sem við ætlum að gera, við ætlum að athuga hvort að hann kunni íslensku.
Og við ætlum að kenna honum að reyna við íslenska stelpur.
Já, ég ætla að leika stelpu og við ætlum að kenna honum þessar helstu setningar sem þarf til þess að...
Já, við skulum bara fara í þetta. You have to imagine that Sveppi is a girl.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay, now it's easier. Thank you.
Okay. First you say, Hi Sæta, hvað segirðu?
Hi, Satak. Vad säger du?
Allt gott.
Ascot. That's your name. Ascot.
Allt gott
allt
means
gott.
I'm good.
Asko. Okay.
Allt gott.
Ascot.
No, allt, Rob, allt.
Alt. Alt.
Allt.
Alt.
Allt gott.
Alt gott.
Yeah.
Alt gott.
Everything's good.
Alt gott. Okay. Alt gott.
Allt gott.
Alt gott.
Mér finnst þú rosa sæt.
Mér finnst það rosta sæt.
Æ, Þakka fyrir. That
Þakka
means-
fyrir?
Yeah, þakka fyrir means you said to me.
Þakka fyrir.
You said, I think you're very pretty. And I said, thank you. Something like that.
Okay.
Má ég fara með þér heim?
Má ég fara með heim?
Mega squeeza.
Mega skvísa.
Mega squeeza? Mega squeeza?
Já, hvað hafður hugsað að gera þar? Óþekki strákur.
Bara hopp yfir rúm?
Bara hoppa bjúm.
Yeah,
Yeah?
why not?
Alt goed? Alt
Allt gott, já.
Allt gott.
Allt gott með það.
gott með það.
Já.
Mér langar að refsa þér.
Mér langar að rapsa það.
Ég er til.
Ég til?
Er þú til?
Alt gott.
Þetta gengur þessu í
Já,
sögur.
hann er ágættur. Do you hit on girls a lot?
No.
You have a girlfriend?
Sometimes I do. It's my first time to Iceland, so I try.
Yeah, okay.
Alt
Your
gott.
girlfriend is not with you here.
No.
That's good thing.
She doesn't get the show, so it's okay.
I don't have a girlfriend either. I don't have a girlfriend.
Well, mine's different. I got this.
Do you
I wear these. I wear these ones. It's a little longer.
Okay.
It's a little longer.
There's no sock in your rug.
No, not yet. I'm
But I
just as
like
hairy
it.
as you guys.
Yeah, I like it. I feel comfortable now.
It's better.
I mean,
This is nice.
You like it? You know, it's more natural.
Yeah, it breaks the ice.
Yeah, come. Now I think I can sit.
Yes, I like this.
Já, dömur og herrar, við erum stattir hérna með Rob Snyder og hann segir bara
Alt goat.
Allt gott, já.
Já, og hann er búin, við erum svona nokkurn veginn búin að kenna honum svona helstu orðin til að reyna við skvísur.
Já, mér líður ekkert rosalega vel samt.
Af hverju?
Það er bara því við erum svolítið mikið saman svona við þrýr.
Já, þú ættir að vera hjá honum með það.
Kannski eftir. Erðu, þetta var, innslag með Rob Snyder. Takk hérlega fyrir okkur. Sæl aftur, við erum ennþá stættir hér með Rob Snyder og hér rétt handan við hornið er brilljant atriði þar sem við förum í Big Guy Rodeo og reynum að hanga á fólki. But Rob, I want to ask you, who do you think is the funniest guy in Hollywood today?
The funniest guy in Hollywood?
Yeah.
Today?
Yeah.
Golly. I don't know.
Who's your favorite?
The funniest guy off camera is Adam Sandler. He's the funniest.
Yeah, I think.
Off camera. I think maybe, Jim Carrey's pretty darn funny. You know who I really like's really funny now, though? This guy, John Heder.
John Heder. Okay.
Napoleon Dynamite. He's, you guys probably haven't heard of that.
No.
I don't know if it would translate, but it's very interesting and funny.
Do you like Will Ferrell? Do you think he's funny?
Yeah, Will's funny. I mean, I thought that, he's funny. The first movie he did, he was funny. Yeah. This guy, John Heder, does this really funny move. Like, he does this thing where he's proud about something that he shouldn't be, like, hey, how much did you eat this morning? You go like, did you have, how many bowls of cereal did you have? 2? And he went like, 3, and he does this.
We saw that guy. We saw that guy in New York. Þetta er gauðan sem við sáum á stand-up-standinu í New York. Okay, but hey, there's another thing we're gonna do.
Are we on? It's filming? Yeah,
Okay, we're gonna surprise you now.
We're gonna surprise you. It's a big surprise. Yeah.
I want a surprise. Money.
Okay.
Hey!
See, this is something we have done with the pop princess on Iceland called Birgitta Haukdal.
Me too. Birgitta Haukdal?
Yeah, Birgitta Haukdal.
Birgitta Haukdal?
She's the Gwen Stefani of Iceland or something.
She is.
Ég hef fingur sem vilja snerta.
She has fingers that want to touch.
Oh, yeah.
And, no, but not like that.
Bring it out.
And we have Peter, he has done it. But now we want to try it on you.
What is it?
Is it possible to put a famous celebrity actor inside this
She got
bag?
in there?
Yeah.
Me too.
And Peter
do it.
did.
Look, Peter, he's gonna show you first.
All right, Peter.
We're not gonna kill you. We're not trying to kill you.
But then we close it and we walk around with you. It's very fun.
Yeah, but I can't breathe.
Yeah,
you can't breathe.
A little.
I'm
Between the
claustrophobic.
granules.
Are you? A little bit.
See? He goes in there. He's a little fatter when he did it.
Yeah, fettari.
That's bara fitna.
Já, þú getur trótur.
And then he goes in and we close.
Nei, ég kemst ekki lengur.
Já, við séum
You
það.
gotta leave it a little open so I can
We
breathe.
promise.
Okay. Ég kemst ekki hita lengur.
Já, kæra áhörður, við erum hérna með Rob Snyder. Hann ætlar að reyna að fara í töskuna góðu.
Okay.
En ég við teppin, nei.
Nei, hann þarf ekki teppi.
Okay.
Yeah, stretch first. Látt hann hafa mækinn.
Ó, veitu, þetta hefði microphone.
Yeah.
I need the mic.
Yeah. So we can talk to you when you're in there.
All right.
Okay.
Don't zip me all the way up now.
No, we promise.
We promise. You have to
All
try
right.
to make you
You
as
gotta
small as...
stretch. I gotta make what?
Make you as small as you can.
Make it small as I can?
Yeah. Then you can fit.
Sjáu hann er minn en ég.
Yeah.
Já, það er ekki að dreyja.
All right. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
It's not very comfortable, I'll say that.
No.
it isn't. All right. No. I'll take this. Yeah.
Okay, you can use it as a pillow.
There's a little pilly.
Cheers on my pillow.
That's great. All right.
Okay, it's not very hard. It's
Not
just...
very hard. Okay, wow. It's very tiny in here. Yeah, it is. It's kind of like the hotel room in Japan. All right. I'm good. Hang on. Have you been to Japan?
The fetal position.
All right, fetal position?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Hang on.
That's a fuck.
Oh, Hyla.
Okay. Ah, that's good.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, we I'm gonna...
I'm okay.
Okay. Tell us if you start feeling bad.
I feel bad.
Hold it.
I feel bad.
He feels
I feel bad. You can zip it up some of the way, not all the way.
Okay.
All right.
Can you be smaller?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, no zipping.
Nota við þurfum að gera hérna.
Do that side.
Hann þarf að snúa sig við, sko.
Okay.
It's broken on this
Broken
side.
on this side. You have to turn around.
Turn around.
How long is this show? 2 hours?
We have a lot of time.
Good.
It's all right.
This is good for filling up time. This could be a special segment. Could take two episodes.
Continue next week when Rob Snyder's in.
Okay. There you go.
Okay.
All right, I'm in.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Okay. Are you ready?
That's good. That's good.
Okay. Now we're gonna pull it up.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Þegar við byrjum að gera svona sér, svo tekur þú svona og gerir hérna, sko.
Watch out.
Þú getur rúlað.
Watch your head, Rob.
Are you okay?
Rob, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm all right.
His first time in Iceland and he's in a suitcase.
This is
Þetta er
great.
ekki meira svo.
This is awesome.
Have you had me on?
This is awesome.
Watch out.
It's very good. It's interesting.
Þetta er snill.
I would like to. I think there's room in here for that Icelandic bitch if she wants to come in. I thought that went well. Yeah.
Rob, it's a family show.
I don't know if I. A what?
It's a family show.
Icelandic chick. Sorry. I thought that went well.
Já, komið að sennilega skemmtilegast atriði þáttarins, The Big Guy Rodeo.
This will haunt my dreams. This will haunt my dreams.
Let's go see Big Guy Rodeo.
I'm the big man rodeo. Æ, ég fyrir ekki. Það var lélegt, maður. Það voru bara nokkra sekúndur. I'm a big man rodeo. Nei, æ, fyrir ekki. Hann tók á mig löggubragð. Sneri upp á hendina á mig, maður.
Ekki svakalega er þetta óþægilegt. Big Guy Rodeo. Big Guy Rodeo. Byrja, nei, já, Big Guy Rodeo.
Big Guy rodeo?
Já. Röltu bara.
Nei, það slefa mig, maður.
Nú, nægir þér ekki.
Nei, það verður mér ekki. Það spennir í gangi.
Andskotum. Hvað er að ykkur? Nei, heyrðu, þessi taska er vesen. Þessi taska er vesen. Ég ætla að reyna að rúti og aðeins, sko.
Ok, hvað aftur?
Nei, það er bannað, sko. Þetta er tímataka. Lengur. Heldurðu mér? Já. Ég líti á slegið eitthvað með. Takk fyrir þetta. Bráðir ekki?
Jú, ég bara...
Já, býstu við þessu bara?
Ég er alltaf vanur svona. Ég er vanur allotum góðra manna.
Ásaka þetta.
Það er gott.
Við erum í smá fíblagangi.
4, 5, 6, 7 sekúndur. Þetta ágætis tími. Djöfull, andskotinn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
All right.
Okay. A new record.
Good.
Thank you.
No problem.
I'll tell you when there's a guy coming.
All right.
Okay?
Try my best.
So you just stand right here.
What if I kill him?
You're so small, you won't kill him.
Hang on. Just, I couldn't get the leg up. The guy with the Coke. Let's get her. Oh, I'm sorry. Hang on. Right there. Hang on. There you go. There we go. Oh. You can go back the other way. Whoa, oh my God, you okay? Are you okay? You all right? That was, are you all right? All right.
This was quite a fun.
You get the cat. Oh, that was the one. You did good. This is Big Man Rodeo, and we have a champion. Thank you very much. That was fantastic. I think my elbow's broken.
Já, þarna sáum við Big Man Rodeo. I'm gonna ask you, how do you feel in your elbow? Is it okay?
It's okay now.
Now, yeah.
Except when I touch it, then it's on fire.
How do you feel after the bag?
Why, I feel like an illegal immigrant. I feel like I just snuck into the country, and now I have to go work in a kitchen somewhere. Or go into the fields and pick strawberries.
Yeah. Something like that.
Yeah,
but it's I'm a little claustrophobic.
You are? Yeah.
See, one time I made the mistake of eating something and on the plane, and it was a little bit of like marijuana, how do you say?
Yeah. Okay.
Marijuana. And I ate it, and on the plane, it started to affect me. And anyway, I had to I gotta get off this plane. I can't breathe. We gotta land the plane. I'm sorry.
Let me out.
Yeah, and so it's not a good thing. So I'm claustrophobic. Plus, I'm the youngest in my family, so my brothers used to put me in like a sleeping bag or lock me in a closet. Like, let me out! So
it's very hard to be the youngest.
Yeah, you're basically the torture element.
Yeah.
The implement of torture.
Yeah.
Come on, what can we do? We're bored. I don't know. Let's just put Robbie in the closet. Robbie, get over here! Get in there!
Go on the
put the cat in with him.
It always like that. You want to get on Diskin? Hello.
Hey, I want to ask you about European Gigolo.
Yes.
Did you write that movie yourself? Now it's showing in Iceland.
I wrote it with a couple of friends of mine.
Okay.
And we wrote it. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
My friend David Garrett, who came over to Iceland, he said, "You got to go to Iceland." He called me up like, "You got to come over here. What are you doing?"
You have to tell Adam Sandler to come.
Yeah.
I'd love to. Yeah. He's like Elvis. He doesn't like to leave America.
Okay.
Oh, I'm staying here, man. I'm staying
You
very
can tell him, you know.
Okay.
Iceland is a great country. Hey, I want to give you the CD. This is the CD.
it's a DVD.
Guys.
It's a DVD.
It's a DVD. Sorry.
Did you sign it, or do you have your assistant sign it?
No,
we signed
You
it.
signed it?
We don't have any assistant.
No, we don't know what assistant is.
How come you got to look normal?
Swap is normal.
Yeah, I'm the only one who's...
I have a goofy face trying to be normal, yeah. But this, you should watch it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Don't
watch
throw
it.
it in and say, yeah. You have to
No,
watch
I'm
it.
gonna watch this.
It's in
And,
Icelandic.
I'll bring
actually.
back my claustrophobia. I'll watch it.
Það komið að lokum, Rob. It's been a...
English subtitles?
No.
Sorry. But you know Icelandic, so it's okay.
Okay, so it's a lot of physical comedy.
Yeah, it is.
lots of that.
Okay.
And you can see interviews with Will Smith, Eva Mendes and stuff.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so it's,
How was Will Smith?
he was very fun.
He came here?
But yeah, you topped him. No, we met him in London.
Oh.
We met him in London.
But Rob, it's been a true pleasure having you.
Well,
very
thank
fun.
you very much. I appreciate it.
Genius.
Thank you.
Well, thank you. I've enjoyed it. I hope I get on the next one.
Yeah, that's a problem.
Yeah, the next one?
We promise you, the Big Guy
Promise?
Rodeo will be on the next one and we'll
Yeah.
send it to you. Okay. Herri, við sjáumst aftur á morgun. Takk fyrir okkur.